In this video, I'll show you how you can disable the Steam Guard on Steam. Now this is really simple, guys. You want to come up here and go to settings, and in there you want to go to security, and in there you can click on manage Steam Guard. Now once you come to this page, you will either have the option to choose turn Steam Guard off, or if you already added it, you'll have the option to remove it from whatever device you have it on. So as you can see, I have it on my mobile. So if I click remove authenticator, it will remove the authenticator from my mobile device, and then I'll have the option to just choose turn Steam authenticator off. So that's basically how it works. It's really simple and there's not really much more to it, guys. You just gotta go into the settings, security, manage Steam Guard, and in here you can just remove it and turn it off if you want to. Now I recommend having it on just to make sure that your account is protected, but you can turn it off if you think it's annoying. Now I really hope this short video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.